Hey everybody, this is your life coach Nadia Plunkett, and I just had a really quick message today as I sat down and I'm going through and I'm writing some things. One of the things that really came to my mind as I was having a conversation earlier is that growth means reinvention. Sometimes you have to reinvent yourself as you grow. Does that mean that you have to tear yourself down and build yourself back up? No, that's not what that means. What it means is that sometimes you have to stop, step back, and reevaluate where you are. That could be in your personal life, that could be in your business, that could be in your relationships, that could be in your education, in any area that you want to experience growth and you realize that you have become stagnant. It simply means that you need to reinvent yourself. You have to step back and reanalyze things and see where it is that you have where you've lost your flavor, where you've become stagnant, and begin to allow those creative ideas, allow those creative intuitions to come forth and to thrive in order for you to go forward. As times change, markets change, the economy changes, everything is about change. Everything is constantly evolving, and you can't stay the same all the time. You have got to change in order to stay relevant. And sometimes change can be difficult, but in order for you to grow, you have to change. And so it's okay to step back and realize that, okay, what I used to do doesn't necessarily work anymore. It's not really cutting it anymore. And sometimes we have to cut away those things that no longer serve us. Sometimes we have to adapt in a good way, of course, to things that are going to help us grow and that are going to help us get to the next level, to where we need to be. So sometimes you have to reinvent yourself and take the time to step back and write things out. Don't just jump in. A lot of times people say that fools rush in. And when you don't take the time to plan out and just allow the creativity that is inside of you to come forth, that's what's going to happen. You kind of get lost in the shuffle, and you get all bogged down with all the muddle, and then you get frustrated because things aren't exactly going the way that you had anticipated. Well, when you take the time to sit down and just write it out, let your thoughts come up, let your thoughts come out, and then go for it from there. But reinvent yourself. It's okay to grow. It's okay to let go of some things, and it's okay to add some things. So I just wanted to shoot this really quick scope to share that with you, to encourage you to go on that quest of redefining or defining who you are personally, who you are in your relationships, who you are in your business, and who you are in your ministry. Whatever area, we have to always have that clarity. And sometimes, like I said, as things change, we have to change with those things. And it could be for the better. So love you all. See you soon. And thanks for scoping with me. Bye.